Well, the old Craftsman has served me well over the past 11, 12 years, but it's taken a beating and it can barely even move half the time. So I'm excited to have the MT225s here with a 60-inch mower deck, and I cannot wait to go mow my yard. But first, we're going to take off the front end loader. All right, we got the front end loader off. I didn't get it on film. I promise we'll do a video about it. But this is up out of the frame. And if you've never seen this before, this right here will sit right down in here. And then this part goes around here, and that's where you stick this pen through. So once this is out, then you can back up a little bit, disconnect your quick connect hoses, put the plugs in, keep the dirt out, and then you can put these plugs over top of where they plug in. So now we're good to go, and we're good to mow. All right, so hopefully the cicadas don't mess up my sound. They mess with the GoPro sound. But I just wanted to tell you what I've learned about this tractor so far. First off, very comfortable to run. Like I told you with the seat in the first video that I did the overview of the tractor on, you can adjust that seat, you can adjust the armrest, how far back you want to lean back. It's very comfortable to run. And then what I've noticed is the power. I've had it in medium range the whole time, and it went up that steep bank and had no problems there. The tires, the R14 tires, I'm not slipping, and they're not tearing up the yard. And I haven't even put it in four-wheel drive yet, even on the steep bank. So far, very happy, very pleased with how this tractor's mowing. Well, I just got rained out. As you can see, I got the tractor all wet. It wasn't supposed to rain today. That's why I started mowing. But we're going to be doing a lot of mowing with this tractor and a lot of other projects, so that'll be coming up in some more videos. But before I end this one, I just want to show you that steel, the hood, and the fenders, all steel. And I think that's important on tractors. I don't like it when there's a bunch of plastic. So that just shows that it's a better quality, and there's been a lot of thought put into this tractor. You can just tell it's a fun, comfortable tractor to run. That's what I've noticed so far. But be sure to keep up with the channel, subscribe if you want to see more videos of this tractor and then the other one that's coming here before too long. And until next time, thanks for watching.